LibreChat versus Open WebUI. So LibreChat is a ChatGPT style open source interface that supports a wide range of AI providers and tech enriched conversational capabilities. So the pros of LibreChat is it is familiar with the ChatGPT-like UI. It also offers multimodal and multimodal support. It also has advanced agents and UI features. It also offers an enterprise-grade authentication. The cons of it though is it has complex configuration. It also is emerging permission systems which lacks built-in role-based access, and they have occasional UI limitations. Now OpenWebUI on the other hand is another open source AI front-end known for its clean design, strong admin features, and extensibility. So the pros of it is it is self-hosted and privacy-focused. It is also easy with the deployment with Docker. It also has a robust model support and pipelines, and they have a strong community. The cons of it though is they have less enterprise authentication flexibility, they have interface which is more utilitarian, and the mixed user has some reliability experiences. So overall, choose LibreChat if you want a feature-rich ChatGPT-like experience, and then choose OpenWebUI if you prefer a sleek, privacy-focused, easy to deploy interface with powerful pipeline flexibility.